Some 07 to 18 JKs came right out of the factory with chrome accenting on their Jeep, like grills and fuel door covers. But if it's not enough chrome for you and you were looking to add the finishing touches, this chrome mirror kit by Rugged Ridge will be right up your alley. If you don't already have those chrome accents out of the factory, but you were looking to start adding some trim, this is also a great starting point. This chrome style is not for everybody's taste, but if you want to keep that polished classic look, these will be a great addition to your Jeep. Installing these are a breeze, and it gets a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter for me, and I'll tell you more about the install in just a minute. As you can tell, these have a polished chrome finish, but they're made of ABS material, which is very common for automotive trim pieces. The chrome finish is also UV treated, so harmful UV rays won't damage the chrome, making the overlay crack or fade when the Jeep is sitting in the sun. These are pretty sturdy for what they are as an overlay, and they'll stand up to what gets thrown at them, resisting any flaking or chipping on the surface. These do a great job at covering up the black trim on the arm on the mirror, as well as the back of the mirror. However, some black will show through when you're looking at the mirror head on. I don't really think that that's a drawback though, because you get a nice black contour line that really makes these stand out. The actual trim piece is covered all the way around, so it won't chip or peel from the corners from a little bit of extra wear and tear. On the back of the pieces, Rugged Ridge has pre-attached automotive grade 3M tape so you can ensure that these aren't going anywhere. In the whole kit, you'll get 2 covers for the back of the actual mirror, and then 4 pieces to wrap around the mirror arm. Rugged Ridge split the cover so you can get full coverage around the mount and the arm, and it covers up the original black trim very well. For a mirror cover kit, these will be fairly priced at right around $80, and it'll be the lower priced option on the page for this particular setup. We do offer another option by Pucko that will jump up about $40 in price, however, it will be very similar to this kit here. I don't see many differences between the two in construction, but Pucko does have a 1-year limited warranty that may explain the price jump. We also offer other variations of this mirror cover kit by Rugged Ridge for just the arm cover or just the mirror cover. Some Wranglers came right off the assembly line with these mirror covers, so if you wanted to add some chrome but you already have one of the parts of the kit, the other part is sold separately for relatively half the price. If you are not a fan of some of the black trim around the face of the mirror showing or around the arm and you wanted to replace the full mirror with a chrome option, we also do offer an option by Rugged Ridge for a full mirror replacement. Those will jump in price to about $190 per side, so if you're just looking for some chrome covers to complete your chrome trim look without breaking the bank, this kit will do just the trick. Installing this is very simple at 1 out of 3 wrenches, and it shouldn't take you any longer than 20 minutes to get these on. Now that our Jeep's in the shop, we can go ahead and install our mirror covers. I would recommend wiping everything down with an alcohol wipe before you stick the 3M tape on. And this is just going to make sure that nothing's interfering with the adhesion process. Now we can go ahead and put the mirror covers on. This is going to come with 3 pieces. I'm going to start with the upper piece for the mirror arm. All you have to do is peel the 3M tape back. If you have adhesion promoter, you can use it at this time and apply it to the surface only where the 3M tape is going to be sticking. Push that down and apply pressure for about 30 seconds to make sure it's on. Now we're gonna move to the bottom portion of the mirror arm. You have this hole here that's gonna allow you access to the bottom Torx bolt so you can still take off your mirror. So you're just gonna peel the 3M tape back again. And you can go ahead and slide it on. It won't attach until it's actually fixed. And then you can hold that down for 30 seconds until it's done adhering. Now you can go ahead and install the 3rd piece, which is going to cover the full mirror. And again, just peeling back tape. going, again, pressing it down until it's done adhering. Now we can go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. So another benefit to these mirror covers, we have some damage on our rig right here. This is gonna cover it up and make it look like it never happened. So that wraps up our review and install for the Rugged Ridge Chrome mirror covers. For everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.